Okay, when I count to 3, open them up, okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3, open.
Oh my God.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to do a multifunctional office space. I redid an office space for my very close friend Shaniqua, and it turned out pretty good. I've been doing room makeovers for a few years now, but I finally decided to share it with you. And I've been actually getting a lot of requests. Whenever I do one, somebody's like, oh my gosh, you should do a video about this. So here you go. We'll walk through it step by step together. So let's get started. I'm going to tell you a little bit about Shaniqua's role. So Shaniqua works as head of evangelism and planting for a local church in Michigan.
Just pray over our communities, Lord. We pray that what comes of this pop-up prayer just affects the community, affects the nation, affects culture.
She just started this job maybe about 2 months ago, and her office space needs a lot of work. Right now, her office is being used as storage. There's like old tapes and cassettes from like the 90s in there, and she just needs her own space where she can be creative and feel comfortable in her own space and excited about this new position that she has. So Shaniqua had a lot of requests for this office, and I'm going to go down a list of some of the things that she felt were requirements. 1, she wants a chalkboard where she can brainstorm. 2, she wants a beanbag where she can relax and take naps on her lunch break. 3, she wants a map so she can keep track of her outreach efforts. Number 4, she wants options for lighting so that she can dim the lighting in the room. Okay, and for me, I wanted to add a place for her to organize her things. I wanted to remove a lot of the clutter in the room. I also wanted to just create a cohesive feel. Because it's such a large room, I really wanted to help ground the space and just to make it feel more cohesive and cozy. Okay guys, so today is technically the first day of redoing Shaniqua's office. There she is, going to get the code to the storage unit that we're at, because she actually has a few items that we can already use. That way it helps me to fit the budget. So here we are, and I'm gonna take you guys in her storage unit so you can see what she has. So let's go. So Shaniqua has some stuff that we can use.
I cannot with you.
Another key part of this design was to put in Shaniqua's love for anime. She loves anime and gaming, and she wanted that to be one of the top things that shine throughout the design.
They also have this thing that goes with the couch.
Some of the things she already had that we could use were her desk, a filing cabinet, a shelf that we found in the office area, and she also had a couch in her storage unit from a recent move. Okay guys, so I just got to Shaniqua's office, and I'm off to a late start today. I'm gonna go to Lowe's because I'm gonna be doing paneling around her office. So I have to go, I measured the room, and now I have to go and get all of the supplies. So this is my first time doing this, so wish me good luck, but here's the office. I'm gonna show it to you. So this is the before. And then here is Ashanti.
Am I on YouTube? Hi everybody. I would have dressed to impress and I know.
Also guys, I'm really excited because I just got my sign. Look at it. It says evangelism is dope. It looks so good. Okay guys, so I just got to Lowe's and I'm looking for 2-inch MDF to go horizontally and go vertically. So let's see if we can find some. You guys, this is so embarrassing. I have no idea what to get. I'm like, what do I do? Okay guys, so I'm back from Home Depot and now I'm about to cut the panels for the room. I took a much needed break and got some lunch, and now I'm gonna try the miter saw for the first time ever. So wish me luck. Okay guys, so the next step after you've laid down the baseboards with the Gorilla Glue or whatever adhesive you use, you have to then use a nail gun to nail it to the wall. So the nail gun that I have is not working, so I have to go back to Lowe's and pick up a battery operated nail gun. Hey guys, so today is a brand new day. I'm really excited to get started. I'm really pumped. Yesterday I barely did anything, if you could see the room. It's just like chaos everywhere. Let me show you what it's looking like so far. And my friend Stan is gonna meet me here with his nail gun because the one that's here is not working correctly. So that'll help me to solidify the wall, but it's looking good so far. Dun, 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 dun. Look who came to help me! The one that I have is broken, but he had one at home, so we're gonna try to see if we can get that one working. As you can see, the walls are done. I'm so excited. Okay, so the walls are done and now I have to go through and put wood filler in all of the nail spots. And then I also have to caulk the sides so that it's seamless with the wall. Hey guys, I'm back. So we are painting the wall and I'm discovering that I'm not really liking the way the paint color looks. So I'm gonna go back to Lowe's. I think this will be my like 7th time going to Lowe's. So I'll show you the colors and you can let me know in the comments what you think. So if it was just these two colors, I think it would work okay. But because we have this black wall here, the room is just too dark. So I'm gonna continue to paint on this bottom wall, this like dark charcoaly color. It looks really, really pretty. You can't really tell right now because we just did the first coat. But we're gonna go and get a lighter color for the top, and it'll just also make the room feel it'll also make the room feel more feminine. Right now it's like coming off very masculine with all the dark colors. I'm almost done with all of the wallpaper. It's looking good. So once the painting was done, that's when we got into just clearing out some of the stuff we didn't need, and the best part, which is the styling.
You know what you see is what you find. You just get the peace of my mind. And you know I believe in no sign. Cause no matter where I go, it's alright. Every day I see the sunrise. Even if it feels like a climb, I don't have to walk that line. That's why I wake up and it's a really nice day, living in the right space. Breathing your grace, got me feeling some kind of way. Yeah, you're keeping me sane, got me in my right.
Okay guys, so it is now 8:15 p.m. I've been here since 9 in the morning today. We have a bit of a dilemma. So we don't know where to put this table. If we should put the table in the corner here with the 2 chairs and push the couch down, or if we should put the table in this corner with like some pictures up top. We feel like if the shelf would ideally be good on this wall, and it'll draw the eye up when you first walk in, so it'll look really nice, and especially once we style it. It would add what you call some nice weight to this side of the room. So we are at Target. I've been doing this with my mom, by the way. Say hi, Mom. Hi. She's been helping me. So we found this because she really wants a map in her office, right? Shaniqua really wants a map in her office. But then I looked up and I saw this. It's a push pin map, and it's within budget. So there you go. These are going in the cart.
What you gonna do when the rain is coming down? Nothing more to do when there's no one else around. Bring it back to the middle, push, take it back to the rhythm. Keep it up for good when the sky's falling down. All you gotta do is to bring it to the ground. Get it up to your inner move, stop, start, down. Nobody can get what you're going through. Nobody can get what you've done. Nobody can get what you're going through. I'm taking shit from them. Bring it back to the middle, push, take it back to the rhythm. Ringing every bell for the falling of the sun. Shifting, get in front to the beating of the drum. Get it up to your inner move, stop, start, down.
So we're finally finished with the room. I'm about to take Shaniqua in so she can see what it looks like. She has not seen it. She also brought her mother in, and we're all gonna see the reveal in just a moment.
Okay, hold on. I'm just gonna.
This is your office. I guess you should go first. It's like all in the front.
Okay, so this is what your office used to look like. Alright, close your eyes. Okay, you're closed. Alright. So excited.
I'll guide you. Keep them closed.
Okay, you're closed. Oh my gosh. Oh, I made it to the door.
Okay, when I count to 3, open them, okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3, open.
Are you serious? You're, oh! Yay! This is, whoa. Julene, you are kidding me. You gotta be lying. You are lying to me. Are you serious?
Extra storage back there. Remember your old desk one it used to look like?
Yeah. Yeah.
So we mounted it. So we took off the top.
Wow. This used to be on top of this.
Yeah.
You got these chairs and the beams. You're kidding? This is amazing. Thank you so much. I'm so excited.
Oh, you're welcome.
This is ridiculous. I can't. I can't. You like this is exactly right. I couldn't have.
And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on those notifications because I have plenty of more makeover videos coming. Thanks so much and have a great day. See you guys.